Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. Boy, St. Vincent get hot like fire again to blood cleat. Now, them murder rate, it broke 2023 record, you know. So now, the youth him is a Vincentian and him go Canada go live, come back a St. Vincent, a pull off, and the man them slap him way. Me I telling about it, yo. Now, the youth him go by the name Glenroy Fraser, and him live in Montreal, Canada. But him original from St. Vincent. Now, my intel tell me that him go St. Vincent, him rent the car, him a pull off, and him a guani, and now my source is telling me that a young lady, we are gonna call her Skettle, link up with the man and program him, and about 3 other man come and rob him and kill him. So, I just want to see how the dynamics of St. Vincent is changing. Cause out of all of the country them, you know, St. Vincent are one of the better country. But now it's like the man them gone mad down in a St. Vincent, and there's a lot more shooting and a lot more things that I need to talk about. But to be honest, there is just so much information coming from all over the places, like the Caribbean gone mad. But I have to tell the man them, when you go in the Caribbean, you have to be very careful, because for some reason you could have live a foreign, you know. But when a man drop in the Caribbean and all start live back in the Caribbean, it's like the mentality change. It's like them turn the people them down in the Jamaica, St. Lucia, and just pure fuckery. Cause you have man where live a foreign, go back to Jamaica, go back to St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and then what them do now, them become the mentality down there. So that's all me I say. With that said, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.